Hey guys, WW Burrito here, just sitting here, chilling, waiting for this rain to pass so we can go trick or treating. Look at it, look. How is we gonna go trick or treating, bruh? How we gonna go? Might as well cancel the whole thing. Ain't nobody gonna be walking around to people's house trying to get candy. Twinkle tweet, give me something good to eat. Ain't nobody gonna do that because it's raining. Nobody gonna do that. It was a funny trick or treat impression though. But um, but my main focus right now is about the cube, not about it raining. The cube in Fortnite is finally cracked some more. And when I say that, I mean it's cracked like directly in the middle of the cube. Like the crack goes all the way around the cube. But there's something green in there. Um, what do y'all think the green could be? What do y'all think it could be? I'm guessing it could be something like I don't know, slime in the cube. I don't know. Um, something has to go. Something has to come through that portal in the sky, and through that portal in the water. Um, I think I'm guessing there's also a portal above Salty Springs. I'm guessing the cube, the rocket is gonna come back and hit Salty Springs. It's been forever since the last time the rocket launched. That was like season season 3 or something like that. It's been a whole 3 seasons since it launched. A whole 3 seasons. So I really hope the rocket comes back and destroys Salty. No offense, Salty. I just really want the rocket to come back. R.I.P. Salty Springs. Um, I guess that something is gonna come out of the cube, looking green. We just don't know what it is yet. And I saw someone that said they would be really upset if it was just another cube inside of a cube. I would be upset too. That's a waste. That's a waste of a plot line. A cube inside of a cube. But hopefully it's not that, and hopefully it is something that will come out of the cube. And I think destroy Tilted Towers, I think? I don't know. But I don't know, man, but something has to go on because it's the final day of October. It's Halloween right now, and once again, I don't think we will be able to go outside. I don't think so. Look at that. Look at that mess, bro. That is filthy. How are we gonna go outside and trick or treat? Last year we couldn't go trick or treating, and my mom said that we had to trick or treating inside. I like no, I'm like I'm not doing trick or treating inside. That's lame. Who would want to do trick-or-treating inside? This rain needs to calm down so we can go outside and trick-or-treat. But anyways, guys, that was me talking about the rain and the cube. And I hope you liked it, and I will see you all in the next episode.